Today I am going to share my experience on teaching of three kinds of S. S with noun, S with verb first form, and S used with apostrophe to make noun possessive. I have made three categories here to explain one by one. Noun singular, for example boy, if added with S becomes boys, and it looks like this in a sentence: boys play games. The confusion is the students think when it is plural, the subject is plural, there should be S here, while the rule is when the subject is plural with S, there should not be S with the first form of the verb. So boy noun is singular. When we make it plural, we add S normally, not always, and then it becomes plural. Now other example for this: drivers drive. Driver drives is fine, but there is a mistake. The article A is missing, so we will correct like this: a driver drives. When subject driver is singular, there is S or ES in verb first form. Now the third sentence is: my driver's son drives. Driver apostrophe S, this is possessive, son is singular, and therefore it is drives. If we use my driver's son's drive, for example, then S will not be used here. The second category, that is of verb. Boys play. In the same continuation of noun. Boys is plural, so there is no S addition here. There is no S suffix. And this denotes present simple, because we have used first form of the verb. A boy plays. When we use singular, a boy, then we use S in verb first form in order to make it a sentence, and that the tense will be present simple. There can be many examples. Now noun possessives. Boys book. Only one book. How many boys? One. Because after boy there is apostrophe S. When we put apostrophe S after singular, then the subject or the possessive it denotes singular. Book is also singular. Boys books. Now boy is only one, but book is not singular here. Books means books of a boy. Books of a boy. In the first sentence it was book of a boy, only one book. Now boys books. Here boys is plural, then apostrophe, and then books. When the subject is plural, we put apostrophe, but we do not put S, because there will be a confusion. There will be two S here. So this is very clear. We can define it like books of the boys. Means book is also plural and boys also plural. Now we can further clarify this. Teacher's son plays. How many sons are there? Only one. How many teachers? Only one. Because after teacher R there is an apostrophe S. And why it is plays? Because the subject is singular. Now similarly, when we use it in a plural form, see how does the sentence change? Teacher's sons play. Teacher remains one with apostrophe S after singular. Now son changes into sons. And when this word sons change, we are not going to use S here, because verb will be used as it is without any suffix S. Now I am going to use this in a different way. Teachers are plural. I use apostrophe without S, because this is a rule. When we have S in the end, we put apostrophe, we don't put S for possessive. Sons means teachers are plural, sons are plural, but there is no S here in the play, because it is present simple. And the rule is when subject is plural, there is no addition of S in the verb first form. Now we can further explain. Teachers' sons play, they are players. Players is plural from player. This is a different structure, but anyway it can be related. Now we understand now there are three kinds of S suffix. One is with noun, which makes plural. When we add s to noun, it becomes plural. When we add s to verb first form, it denotes present simple tense. When we add s to a noun with apostrophe, with a comma, that becomes possessive. All three kinds of sentences are here. I think this kind of remedial approach will solve some sort of problem to the students who are